Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to talk about some of the other tips and tricks which we recently discovered on HTC One X. This is the third part of the tips and tricks series for HTC One X. So let's start. One of the most important thing, or one of the most good thing which I discovered on HTC One X is the how you can customize the overall lock screen on HTC One X with different effects. This is currently a weather widget which you are seeing right now in the center of the screen. So HTC One X provide this particular lock screen by default, which you can enable, and which actually shows you the weather in such a nice animated way. It shows you the weather of the current geographical location where the phone is actually. How you can enable this particular effect on the HTC One X, we will just show you. You will need to go into the settings. Under settings, you need to go into personalize, and under personalize you need to go into the lock screen style. So under lock screen style, this is the current style which I have already applied. This is called weather current, which shows the weather of the current phone geographical location. Then you have this people style lock screen. You have the clock style lock screen as well. Then you have the stock type of lock screen, in which it will show you the stock from the company which you want to track from the stock market. And then you have notification kind of a lock screen, in which it will show you the latest updates of your friends and relatives from the social networks to which you are connected. And it has a wallpaper style lock screen, in which it will show you the latest wallpaper which you have captured, the latest wallpapers or the pictures which you have captured with the camera on HTC One X, or the pictures which you have in the gallery. Then you have this kind of productivity app screen, which it will show you the notifications of various messages, calls, missed calls, and all the calendar notifications as well. And then you have the very sleek and simple wallpaper style lock screen as well. So you just need to select this particular weather kind of lock screen to see this particular effect on the home screen. So this is the effect. Apart from this, if you want to kill the applications on HTC One X, then you need to tap over this particular multitasking application soft key, and it will show you all the applications which are running in the background as a thumbnail. And if you want to kill any of these, you just need to swipe them up. So this is how you can kill them. Apart from this, you can actually create folders within this particular bar, which is at the bottom on the HTC One X, by dragging one of the icon on the other. So we can create a folder over this bar as well as you can add any other application in this bar by just dragging it here. That's it. Thanks for watching.